Did you know that the first car ever built could only go about 16 kilometers per hour? Pretty slow compared to today's supercars. You can download the car drawing coloring page for free from the link in the description. If your paper and pencils are ready, let's start drawing.
Step 1. Outline the roof. Step 2. Draw the windshield. Step 3. Form the body. Step 4. Attach the side mirrors. Step 5. Add the headlights. Step 6. Outline the air vents, car logo, and fog lights. Step 7. Draw the car grille. Step 8. Add the tires. Step 9. Color the cute car.